Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can send Bitcoin from Changelly to another wallet. So the first thing that you will have to do is log into your Changelly account, of course, and make sure that you're using the official website of Changelly. And now that you're here, you will just have to go to your wallet and then select BTC or Bitcoin. And next, you will just have to click next step, which is right here. And by the way, you do have to paste the recipient wallet address if you have it. And then what you will have to do is you will just have to enter the amount of Bitcoin that you would want to send. And next, click next step. And here you should review the transaction fees and all that stuffs. And you will just have to fill in this transaction details, so your destination address and then the refund address. So it's optional, but to receive a refund in case of an issue, you will have to add that address. And then what you will have to do next is you will basically just make a payment. You will send a crypto that you would like to exchange the wallet address you see on the screen, and you will just have to wait for your coins to arrive and track the progress of your exchange and be ready to get your crypto soon. And by the way, if prompted, you will have to complete the two-factor authentication, and then again, you will click send and wait for the blockchain confirmation, and Bitcoin should arrive in the recipient wallet shortly. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.